Hello, financial warrior. Welcome again to my Finance Chapel YouTube channel. And I hope you are enjoying the series of videos which you have done from last 5 days. This is the sixth day where I am very much interested to tell you about escape the grind and embrace the gains. Now, what does it mean? So, you have to make sure that you are having a joyful life. For that, you should have passive sources of income. Now, what is passive sources of income? Where your involvement is not there actively, but money is coming to you, coming to your bank account. When you have a financial freedom, if you have that question, it is very simple. When you have a passive sources of income, regularly which is coming into your bank account, which is more than your monthly expenses, then you can say that you are financially free. Now, my question is, are you financially free? If not, please make sure that you have all the potential, all the skills, all the knowledge. God has given you a lot of talent. Please make sure that you utilize that for the fullest and make sure that you are having passive sources of income for you. Now, in this contest, I wanted to share you some of the 10 mistakes what people do while think about their passive income. Remember that this is a passport for your financial freedom. When you have enough passive income, you have a financial freedom. Now let me come back to the mistakes what you are doing in your when you think about the passive income. The number one is overlooking time and effort in your investment. There is a misconception that passive income leads to disappointment. No, if you plan very well for the passive income and that without much investing your time and effort, if you are able to get that through your knowledge and skills by right knowledge about personal finance, then definitely that is not leading into disappointment. The number two, chasing trends without any strategy. That means blindly you are following somebody else. That may be working for them because they may be having a good skills about that. But is it working for you? If not, maybe something else is working for you because you are good at that. Please make sure that you are aware about that. Number third, there is a mistake is impatience. You are not ready to wait for long-term success. You want immediate success. If that is the case, that is not for you. There is no investment which is giving you immediate success. Maybe for some instance it's yes, but it is not coming forever. So please make sure that you have a patience when it comes to the investment, when it comes to the results. You should be patient about that. Next, neglecting passive income diversification. Many a times people are getting passive income, but whatever the income coming, they are putting into the same things and they are not diversifying their investments. Please make sure that you do your financial plan. And when you do that, it is very important that your investment has to be diversified, so that you can avoid risk, you can at least minimize the risk. Even if sometimes we are not able to avoid risk because of various circumstances, we can minimize the risk. And very important aspect, not setting a clear goals. Even when you are getting some like passive sources of income, maybe you have not set your goals. Why you are using that and for what purpose it has to go. If there is no fixed goal, no financial goals, maybe your passive income, you have worked hard for that and it has going to somewhere else. So make sure that you are having clear goals even for that passive sources of income, where you are investing, where you are utilizing, how much you are utilizing. Then failing to reinvest passive profits. There are various ways where you can get passive income. It may be rental income, it may be dividend, or it may be like some other affiliate income which you are getting. There are a lot of like royalty income. Now you have to make sure that where you are reinvesting that passive profits. When you know about that, you can earn more passive income as well. Now, the very dangerous thing, that is 7th point, relying only on one income stream. If you are a working professional, if you are an entrepreneur, maybe you are thinking that that is for lifetime, it is enough for me. There are many chances are there where companies are laying off the employees if they are not productive enough, if they are not upgrading themselves, then there are maximum chances are there where people are losing out their job. People are losing out their businesses. So don't ever think about only one active sources of income. Please plan now and make sure that you have some other passive sources of income, either through your time, effort, or maybe through your investments. Your money has to work for you. Next important thing is underestimating your skills and knowledge. I always tell the people that God has given a lot of things to you, but you somewhere ignoring that things, and you are not appreciating yourself, you are not appreciating your skills. Maybe you have a fear that what if others may tell about me. Don't think about that, because the God has given you talents to utilize that talents, to use that talents, to with your talents you have to help many more people. When you impact many more people in your life, there is a chances of getting passive sources of income. So think what you can do in your free time, or maybe what you can do. Maybe you can allocate fixed 1 or 2 hours in a day so that you can learn some skills and use that skill. If you wanted to know about that, definitely you can join our community. We are doing a lot of such programs and lot of such initiatives which we are getting in, where people are getting passive income from their skills and knowledge. The 9th one, that is lack of continuous learning. Are you learning, or have you stopped your education after your degree or post graduation and you're just focusing only on working? Very important thing is, our life is precious, and till we live we have to learn. How we are learning, it depends upon us. Maybe through the experience, maybe through books, maybe workshops, maybe webinars, or maybe some other mentors. It's depend upon you. Are you a lifelong learner? If not, please make sure that only when you learn, even you can learn from the mistakes. Plus, please don't do a lot of mistakes and waste your time. Make sure that you cut short that mistakes and make sure that you can learn from others' mistakes. So for that, you have to be a lifelong learner. And the very important aspect, last but not the least, that is not allocating time for yourself. You are precious. You are awesome. You are the real person who can bring maximum profit, who can bring maximum passive sources of income to your life and to your family. You can change only you. You cannot change others. But are you ready to do that? Are you giving some time for yourself to understand? Are you giving some time for yourself to upgrade your skills? If not yet, then please make sure that at least half an hour you are spending with yourself, understanding yourself more, changing yourself, transforming yourself. So that is where when you have belief in yourself, when you have confidence on yourself, then everything falls in place. So I'm Dr. Maria signing off here. Please make sure that today is a Black Friday and we are giving wonderful opportunity to enroll for this 2-day workshop, which is starting from tomorrow. That is 25th November and 26th November. Please spend 1 day and 2 days you spend for yourself. Learn something about personal finance. Master your personal finance. Become your own financial planner. Understand what is right and wrong, and make sure that you can crack the code where you can achieve financial freedom by having a lot of passive sources of income. I wish you all the best and see you tomorrow in my masterclass.